Hey y'all, it's Sandra DeBusk, Sasquatch girl and author. Matter of fact, I'm an author with Amazon, Kindle, ACX, Audible, Barnes and Noble, Drafted Digital, and Apple and iTunes. Anyhow, guys, 2 years after we moved here, after we bought this place, because we bought this place in 2014, 2016, I got this picture. I, of course, have it circled, but if you'll look, there's more than one orb in this picture. Probably more than what I saw with my eyes as far as the two juvie squatches. But I've got it circled with the biggest orb. Isn't that amazing? Because I think that, that they're, what I want to say, spiritual beings, and also beings not from this planet, but I don't think they're from here. For one, they're too smart. For another, they just, and I don't believe that anybody, and if they have, they've kept it quiet, but, that anybody has captured one. I do know that there's that lowlife that claims he shot a mommy and both of her toddlers, and I think karma needs to get a hold of him. I do not like him at all. He has no heart, no conscience. But anyway, this picture, I found it on my external hard drive from my computer before I got this Omen. So it was, an original picture. And, something else, this picture is from my first camera. It was a digital Olympus. Best camera I ever had. And I broke it. But anyway, I love that camera. And if I could get another one like that, it was so light. I could put it in my back pocket. I could get action images, crystal clear, something running. Oh my God, I just loved that camera. That proven Squatch picture that I uploaded, that was taken with my Olympus. That Olympus I've been talking about. So anyway, love you all. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate everything you guys do for me on my behalf, and I'll try to keep making you happy. God bless, love and light, and peace out.